So guys, today we're back at the W220. We're going to change out the tail lights to the new upgraded ones, the facelifted versions. All right, while we're at it, that's what they look like. You're gonna have 5 screws to get off. They're 8mm. There's gonna be one under here under the mat. All right, one there, 2, 3, 4, and don't forget this one right here, guys. 5. So it's gonna be 5 of them, and we're gonna go swap them out to the new facelifted. It says 1, 2, 3, 4 of those stripes on the lights there. This one has 2. Alright, so just like that, guys. Feast your eyes, and we're gonna snap our fingers. Just like that, guys. A lot nicer. That's an upgraded facelift lights. Get you some. They were about, I think, $70 for the pair. Lovely. Change the whole look of the vehicle from the back.